Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, let us discuss about what are the challenges, what are the opportunities, and what are the pitfalls you have in online social network. So first, let us discuss about the challenges. ಮೊದಲು challenges ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. First one is privacy concerns. So what happens in social media platform? We share vast amount of our personal information such as name, phone number, address, and all location, few things. So this will again result in data breaches, or some people may misuse your personal information. They may do the identity theft or stalking, like track wherever you go. They may misuse this personal data. So there are the privacy concerns. So that is the first challenge. Second challenge is that the cyber bullying and harassment. So people may harass you on the social medias, so they may do the emotional damage for you. They may spoil the reputation of a person. So all those things can be seen. So that is also one of the challenge in social network. So cyberbullying and harassment. Next is fake news and misinformation. Suppose some people will share sometimes the fake information, fake news about some person or any of the social ongoing events. So suppose if people believe in that, then you are again misleaded. So the fake information, fake news, it's often seen on the social media platforms. Next, algorithm bias and echo chambers. So sometimes what happens is when you shared certain information, the algorithm may become biased and will not share exactly to the whatever the audience it should have reached. So again, limiting this particular exposure. So this bias again, it will help. It is again one of the biggest challenge in the social network. Next, addiction and the mental health issues. So usually people will get addicted to the usage of social media. They will use it at greater extent, so this will again cause eye strain for them. Some people will undergo the mental issues. So they'll develop a kind of anxiety, certain depressions also. So that is again one of the challenges. Next, what are the opportunities you have in social network or positives, opportunities, or you can sometimes they may even call it as advantages. So in question examination, they may even ask as advantages also. First one is global connectivity. Million of people all over the world, across the globe, they will use social media platforms. So you can reach out to millions of people by using the social media networks. So reaching global audience you can reach. Next, marketing and branding. So using the social media platforms, you can market your products. You can develop a brand awareness of your organization. You can create a brand awareness. You can engage with the customers. You can increase the sales through the effective social media strategies. So you can reach out to the targeted audience very easily. So that is one of the opportunities in social media network. Next, information and knowledge sharing. There are some social media platforms where informations can be shared, where you can find the teachers, where you can take online tuitions, online educational videos you can get. So all these things are the again an opportunity where you can gain lots of knowledge, lots of general knowledge about current affairs, everything. So there are many social media platforms as such. So that is also one of the opportunity. Next, community building. You can connect with the people, you can build relationships among people, the people with like same interests, whatever the interest you have, common interest. You can meet up the people, you can exchange your ideas, you can get the better ideas from them. So you can have an engage with the like-minded people. So that is also one of the what you say opportunity. Next is innovation and collaboration. You can collaborate with other people and increase your followers also. Suppose if you're doing any marketing, if you collaborate with celebrities or any influencers, controversial people, so you can they will have more followers. So when they speak about you in their account, again your following follower base also it increases. So innovation and collaboration is again an important opportunity in the social media. Next, let us see the pitfalls, or you can even call it as disadvantages as such. So disadvantages. It is also, you can call it as disadvantages also. In question, they may even ask about the disadvantages of social network. It is same. First one is over reliance and social validation. So usually what happened is you cannot completely depend upon the comments, likes and all. Okay, because that again, uh, what do you say, like it makes people involved too much in the social media. People start using social media too much, and again it affects their mental health also. So that is one of the pitfall or disadvantages. Next, data exploitation and manipulation. We share some huge amount of personal data, personal images on the social media platforms. Again, many people may manipulate you. They may misuse the data, whatever you have shared. So again, it may affect the people who using the social media. So data exploitation happens there. That is one of the pitfall. Next, short attention spans. So what is this short attention spans is sometimes what happens is it will reach out to very less people. Okay, very less people will have the interest to watch on that. Again, it may affect you. You may result as a result, you may suffer a huge loss from that again. So short attention span is one of the disadvantages. Next, erosion of face-to-face communication. So as you're communicating through online, so you don't have a face-to-face communication with the other person. So you will not, this will affect your interpersonal skills. So you may not understand the real emotions or in which context they're speaking with you. So that emotions cannot be seen in digital platform. So face-to-face communication is not possible. That is one of the pitfall, of course. Next is vulnerability to hacking and phishing. Some people's social media accounts get hacked easily, or you may receive some malicious links or malicious apps get downloaded along with it. So again, all these things are the disadvantages or the pitfalls for the social media network. Next, let us discuss about the security issues related to social media. What are all the security issues are there? What are the challenges basically? First one is data breach. As I told you that uh, usually, what happens is you would have shared certain sensitive information, personal information. Hackers may use this data and misuse. They may involve themselves in illegal activities. So they may stole the data. They may do the phishing attacks. So they may send them malicious links. So that is second one, phishing attacks. Or they may even cheat you, okay, by providing the sensitive information to you, and they make you believe that they're calling from some banks, anything. So the phishing attacks, so they may unauthorizedly access your accounts, and they may make you undergo financial losses. So that is also there. Third one is accounts hijacking. Usually, if you have kept any weak password or very easy passwords, some people may hack your account, they may post some nonsense things. Again, it may affect your reputation also. So again, this they may use your account for some unwanted malicious activities. Again, you will be in trouble in future. So account hijacking is also one of the biggest security issue. Next, malware distribution. Along with your applications, you would have given permissions unknowingly to some third party applications. They might install certain malware and malicious softwares in your devices to have the unauthorized access to your device. So that is also one of the security issues that they can do. Next is social engineering attacks. So they may play with the emotions of the human being. They may play with your psychology. They may do the brainwash of yours so that you will disclose certain informations. So they may cheat you. All these things are possible in the social media by using the social engineering attacks. Next is fake accounts and impersonation. Many people will use some fake accounts. They will send the follow request to you, and once you accept the request, they may try to uh, make you feel that they are some trustworthy persons. Then once they get all your information, they may spoil your reputation. So all those things can happen. So that is again the biggest challenge in social media network. Next is inadequate privacy settings. Suppose if you have not configured your privacy settings, you have kept everything public. So again, this inadequate privacy leads to many cyber crimes and many cyber attacks. So that is also one of the security issues in social media networks. Next one is geotagging risks. Suppose you go to any of the location, you take a picture and you post it in Instagram or any of the other social media platforms. You just put the location where you are. So again, it again leads to a very dangerous thing. So again, it is a question of safety and security that people will get to know where you are, what you're doing, everything. So there's a risk in that geotagging. Next, credential stuffing. So what is this credential stuffing is? So it involves certain attackers. Okay, they use the previously leaked username. So what happens? Suppose I've got to know your Instagram ID and password. The same ID and passwords I will use it in all other platforms, all other social media platforms. Usually, what people do is for ease of remembrance, they will keep the same username and password in various uh, social media platforms. So for hackers, if we get to know password of one platform, then he will use the same password in all other applications. So again, he may get the hold of all the accounts. So that is also one of the greatest security issues. And the last one is third party app risk. So some social medias could have been collaborated with another applications. So those third party applications may try to have the unauthorized access to your data. So again, that is one more security issues in social media network. Hope you have understood about the concepts very well. In my next video, I'll come back with some more concepts of this particular chapter. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video.